Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to download IS codebooks from net for free. So this procedure not only allows you to download free books, but it will also allow you to have your name on it. So you will be getting your own and original copy of indigenous Indian standard books for free of cost. So let's get started. And before we start, I would really appreciate it if you could smash that like button, drop me a comment, and share this free program with anyone who might need it. So, firstly, we are going to search in Google for standardbas.bsbedge.com. The link to the website is directly given in the description box below. So, I'm going to just copy and paste the link in search bar. So when I do it, I'm getting this page where I can get BAS and BSB Edge offering Indian standards online. Now I'm going to search for IS 10262. It is a concrete code. There are two codes. The latest code is 2019 edition. So now I'm going to try and download this one, 2019 edition, and click to download. When I click it, I can see that I haven't registered already. So since I'm new, I'm clicking on register. And it is a pretty simple way to sign up for this account. I'm filling all the details here, and something which is important is your name. Make sure you're giving your correct spelling, because this name is what is going to appear in your code book. On clicking submit, so the registration is complete. I have to activate my account in my registered email ID. So I'm going to my mail, and in my mail I can see that a mail from BSP has come. So I'm clicking on the link to activate the account. And samely, the account has been activated successfully. Now I have to log in again to my account. So I'm already registered, so I'm typing in my registered mail ID and password and the captcha given, and clicking on login. So you can see that I have been logged in the name The Civil Girl. And again, now I'm going to search for my codebook IS 10262 2019 edition. So it is 2019 edition. I'm clicking on download the PDF. And unlike the last case, now I'll not be having any register account. I'll be asked to just write down the captcha and to agree on the terms and conditions. The download has been successful. So when I'm opening it, I can see that in the top of the page, my name has come, The Civil Girl. You can have your name in it. The Civil Girl has come, and the city where you're living is also given there. And the codebook is also free from any other watermark. The only watermark is your name. So the whole codebook is available, and this your name is available in every page of the codebook. So this is how you will download your codebooks with your name for free of cost, legally, without any piracy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this, please do leave a comment below. Thank you.